Welcome back, adventurers. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. This is Nature Adventure, where we explore Jamaica's natural wonders one adventure at a time. I'm Ajani, your humble guide and director. We're headed to Joy Falls in Wheelerfield, St. Thomas. This drive is gonna be scenic. Let's go. We're cruising along the southern coastal highway. Fun fact, once finished, this stretch will be renamed the Right Excellent Paul Bogle Highway in honor of a true Jamaican hero. I'm looking forward to seeing the official sign when it's all done. We're passing by Roselle Falls, which is a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. It's perfect for a quick stop or even a splash. I might dive into Roselle Falls in a future video. Stay tuned for more on that. As we continue, we have to keep an eye out for the weather. I was a bit worried we would get rained out, but luckily, it seems to be clearing up. And now we made it. Well, not quite yet. Just like and subscribe for me. We're almost there. Let's go. Which part exactly, right? So that was just about a 2-hour drive from Kingston to get here. The path to Joy Falls was a bit muddy at the start. Let's just say my favorite sneakers didn't come out unscathed. On the path. Let's go. There are a few houses on the trail, so I had to be very respectful when walking by. But look at this view. It's peaceful and serene. Trees all around. You're completely surrounded by nature. Watch your step on these stairs. We've got a bit of a walk ahead. Trust me, it's all worth it. This little stream is a gorgeous preview of what's to come. The community members are pretty helpful here when sharing directions to the waterfall, and a few of them even joined us at the top. Also buck up on a nice little pig here, chilling in his own filth. Okay, cool, cool. Just a bit further and we'll hit Joy Falls. Look at that beautiful waterfall peeking through the trees. On the path, there are a few rivers and waterfalls you can visit before reaching Joy Falls. The setting is both relaxing and invigorating, providing the perfect prelude to the excitement of Joy Falls. The river seems to flow downstream from Joy Falls. It's a beautiful view. Our first stop leads us to Perner Falls. Just below Joy Falls, Perner Falls is a small secluded location, good for swimming, dives, and a nice little link up among friends. The second mini waterfall reminds me of GutterHead Falls in GutterHead, St. Thomas. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out in the description below. Perner Falls has a strong flow of water that can be relaxing for swimmers. If you're loving the view, please hit that like button, it really helps us out. Perfect for relaxing with friends and a beautiful opening act to the main attraction, Joy Falls. Just a few meters above, you'll find Joy Falls. And here we are. Just a short walk from the path, and it's absolutely breathtaking. The blue waters are mesmerizing. And guess what? There's even more to see up above. From up here, you can spot another waterfall, a bit more secluded and tranquil. It's perfect for a peaceful escape. Joy Falls is also a popular spot for community gatherings and parties. If the main pool is packed, you might find some fun up here.
So this is it, Joy Falls, aka Tuna Falls. I have another name people, so I won't say it on camera. We'll put up on screen for you guys. But yeah man, this is it man. See waterfall right here. You have a nice blue water and thing. The place kind of reminds me of Big River in a center. That was our first trip to natureadventure Jamaica. You can check it out, link up here so. Man, the surrounding names on the walls and things kind of remind me of GutterHead Falls. Everybody come here and want to put their name on the wall. This will say we might probably do the same thing too, you never know.
Hit that like button, guys. Let's hear from some of my friends.
Hi, my name is Andrea, and I am here at Joy Falls. This is my first time. If I had to give it a review out of 10, I would say 9.5. Being in it, because the water, it's not deep, it's not freezing, it's not hot, it is perfect. However, there is a little trick to get up here. You park below and you kind of just have to go up a little hill. If it does rain, it may get a little bit slippery, so bring your water shoes or wear some Crocs. Ladies, no slippers because you will fall. If it's not raining and it's dry, it might be a bit easier, but the nature is beautiful, it's shady, you'll love it, 9 out of 10. So I would recommend anybody in Jamaica or new to Jamaica, visit Joy Falls.
The drive wasn't the best. I mean, the road's still being constructed, so further advise drive with an SUV. The walk to the waterfall is terrible. If you have a bad foot, don't come. If you need to come, walk with a stick. The water itself, excellent. 3 waterfall, biggest one up top. Walk with food.
Walk with a split.
Stick, brother.
Oh,
A stick.
a split here, brother.
You can't walk with a split, because I mean, it's the experience. Yeah, once you come with people, good vibe, liquor, food, you're solid. But as I said, the drive and the walking stick is essential. The spot itself, you need a solid 8. The only reason I'm going to get a 10, I can't come and go also, so you lose 2 points. But good otherwise.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Really helps us out.
But it's a nice little place, multiple rivers, one up top, one down here, so one down here kind of thing. So yeah man, it's nice one. Probably the smallest place we've ever find so far and thing, but there's multiple. So if one not big enough here, you go for the next one and the next one. So yeah man.
Gentle cascading waterfall trickles from a mossy rock, adding a soothing sound to this peaceful scene. It's a beautiful view. Of course, we had to get in on the action with some epic water dives. After a long day of having fun, you can head to their hidden spring to wash off, then head home. That's a wrap for Joy Falls in Wheelerfield, St. Thomas. What did you think of this nature adventure? If you're planning a visit, check out the Google Maps location in the description below. Just a heads up, signal can be spotty, so ask the locals for the directions if you need help. Thank you for joining me on this nature adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos for amazing explorations.
Up close and personal with the waterfall. So it's a little small, but well, little but it's all as we say in Jamaica, right? So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure. Big up.
See you on our next adventure.
Looks cooler if I hit. Alright, that's it.